Hey there and welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to dynamically calculate a row number in Smartsheet. By the end of this video, you'll know not just how to set up your sheet so every row is automatically numbered, but you'll also understand why this approach is more reliable, especially when you're sorting or rearranging your data. This is one of those behind-the-scenes upgrades that can really streamline your workflow, so let's jump right in. So first up, let's get your row ID column set up for success. Find your row ID column, then right-click anywhere on that column to bring up your options. What you want to do is select Edit Column Properties. Once you're in there, look for the setting called Auto Number. Go ahead and select that. Now what this does is automatically assign a unique number or ID to every new row you add. It's kind of like giving every row a custom serial number the moment it appears, which will become super useful in a minute. Don't forget to click Save at the bottom, otherwise Smartsheet won't remember your changes. Alright, with the row ID column auto-numbering each entry, you're set up for the next, very important part. Now let's add in a dynamic row number. This gets a little more interesting because you want your numbering to adjust whenever you restructure your sheet, like if you add, move, or even resort rows. So head over to the column where you'd like the row number to appear. In the top cell where you want your formula, type this in, =, then match, just like you would in Excel, so it looks like this. =match row ID at row ID 0. Let me break down what's happening here just so you're clear. The match function is scanning your entire row ID column and trying to find exactly where each row's unique ID happens in the list. By referencing row ID at row, you're telling Smartsheet, hey, for this specific row I'm in, what's its position, its rank in the sequence of all? The 0 you see at the end just means it's looking for an exact match, not something similar. So why go through all this? Well, because the match function always gives you a real-time row number, even if you rearrange your rows. It's like labeling cartons as they pass on a conveyor belt. No matter where a carton goes later, you can always track its original spot. Once you've entered your formula, hit Enter to apply it, and you'll instantly see the row number appear for that specific row. But you probably want this to work for every row right here, the last step. Just right-click on that formula cell you made and select Convert to Column Formula. This is a huge time saver. It'll automatically apply that formula to every single row in your sheet without you having to copy it down each time. And the beautiful thing is, from now on, whenever you add new rows or reshuffle your data, the numbering updates automatically. And that's it, you've got a super reliable dynamic row numbering system in Smartsheet. If you hit any hiccups, don't worry, just double-check your column settings and the formula spelling. Sometimes it takes a moment for everything to update if the sheet is large. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and drop any questions or thoughts in the comments. I love hearing your feedback and helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides just like this so you can keep making the most of your Smartsheet solutions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.